Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing another video on our trade lines. We have a trade line posting with resulting 714 score. Let's see what he got here. You got one trade line. You got a Capital One. $200 limit, about a year old, 2 years old. And there you go. This is authorized user. We have over 400 trade lines. Call us for details. 202-213-2218 or get on a list. Tradelines.biz. We've been doing this now for 10 years. We have over 400 trade lines posting on a daily basis. A lot of them are wholesale. We have lines as low as $195. $195 trade lines. So you want to call us for details or more information. 202-213-2218. We also do credit repair, CPN numbers, CPN apartment packages. Again, just call us 202-213-2218. We're one of the few people that actually answer the phone and do free consultation, unlimited consultation on how to build CPNs, how to build your profile, how to build your current credit to get funding. And all of it's free. Free review, free consulting. 202-213-2218, tradelines.biz for our list. And our website now with all of our trade lines, go to platinumtradelines.com. Thank you. Have an excellent